Hi, my name is Akshay Modi. I'm recording this video on the 2nd of May 2019. As a quick background about myself, I have done schooling from Bosco School, Liluah, and graduation from Xavier's, Calcutta. I'm a very proud TCC alumnus of the CAT batch of 2012 and MDP batch of 2013. These had helped me get through IIFT Delhi for the class of 2013 to 2015. I look back at my TCC classes for CAT with a lot of nostalgia. The classes were extremely rigorous and intellectually stimulating, but the key focus of the classes was not really on learning how to solve a particular kind of problems, even though that was covered. But the genuine focus of the classes was on developing crystal clear understanding of the concepts at hand, which are useful for as far as the examination is concerned. But more importantly, these impart a lot of self-confidence to the candidate that they really know the material being tested for MBA-entrance examinations. Whilst that is definitely one part of the of focus for the classes, but I genuinely feel in hindsight that the real fulcrum of the CAT classes at TCC were on inculcating life skills amongst the students. Uh, so, whilst MBA entrance exams might be the battle, but the real war, so to say, is in terms of developing a meaningful career in whichever domain of one's choice. And one key skill set required in any domain, in any walk of life, is the ability to think. That is one skill which I believe I have picked up substantially during my TCC classes, as well as a lot of life skills. So just to give you a sense, the focus on punctuality and discipline and respect towards the staff, all these things are placed at equal footing as, say, being achieving mastery of the geometry lessons. So it is, whilst it is important to learn the concepts, but it is far more important to become a better human being. That is an aspect which the TCC methodology of instruction focuses very deeply on. As far as the management development program classes are concerned, these classes are not just for learning the art and science of GDs and personal interviews for MBA entrance examinations. These classes go far beyond that. So in all aspects of life at a business school, for example, for things as diverse as, say, getting live projects, for summer placements, final placements, even for competitions and membership for leadership roles, one is always required to undertake group discussions and interviews. The classes at TCC help one not just for getting through a B school, but also to survive and thrive in a B school. Going beyond that, so whether one is giving a presentation in a corporate boardroom, or one is interacting with a CEO, or if one is himself or herself a CEO of a company, the lessons that we learn at TCC MDP classes will stand one in very good stead, because these classes focus very much on developing managerial communication skills, as well as leadership skills, which are extremely useful in all walks of life. Final word, whilst the key, probably after 7 years of my TCC journey, uh, I'm really glad that I have two role models in the form of sir and ma'am, whom I kind of uh, adored, and I always look up to them for inspiration and for guidance. So that is one, possibly the one lasting takeaway that I have from the TCC classes. Thank you.